Sunday evening, everybody. Here's a live look across the state where we've got snow flying almost everywhere. At the seacoast, though, there in Portsmouth, look at the temperature, 33 degrees. That means there's a little bit of rain mixing in. We've had a few reports of that, especially at Hampton Beach and right along the immediate coastline, though that is actually not showing up on radar. It's blue all across the state because we have this light to moderate snow coming down where you see the darker shades of the blue color, like up into the White Mountains here in the North Country. That's where you get some of the heavier bouts of snow. You'll notice throughout the evening, if you look out the window, you might notice that the snow comes down heavy for a few minutes and then it might get a little bit lighter, but it's certainly not stopping. Look at the heavy snow from Conway up into Glen, North Conway, into Berlin and Ossipee, down into Freedom too, all along Route 16. That's where we're most actually concerned for some of the heaviest snow. But even in the southern portion of the state, it's going to be happening all throughout the overnight. From Manchester down into Derry, Salem, right to the Mass line there, you've got light to moderate snow flying. Temperature-wise, most of us are in the 20s, so it is still the light, fluffy, fine particled snowflakes. But look at Portsmouth, the temperature there of 33. So not only do you have a little bit of mixing there, but where it is snow, it's that wet, heavy snow. And I do expect the temperatures to actually go up a little bit, a few more degrees from the 20s that we are in Manchester, Nashua, into Jaffrey. So these southern areas where the consistency of the snow likely will start to change as we get into the overnight hours, getting into more of that pasty, wetter snow. So here's the timing of everything. This is 10:30 tonight, and we still have the snow ongoing. Notice where the rain snow line is. It's actually south of Boston. So other than right at the immediate coast, this is an all snow event here, and it continues through the overnight. Once we get to about 7 a.m., the storm is going to be rapidly intensifying. So we'll have still some snow coming down, though you notice in the western areas of the state it's beginning to taper off. But this is when the winds are really going to crank up. So it's going to be interesting tomorrow because in a lot of places the snow actually will end by about midday, but we're going to have probably what are called ground blizzards, where you can get the wind blowing all that fresh snow around. It could be bright and sunny above your head, but you could get reduced visibility and additional accumulation on the roads because of the winds really picking up. Now, finally, the snow will wrap up the evening commute. If you do happen to go to work tomorrow, it should be much better than the morning commute. And then on Tuesday, we're actually back to sunshine. That's when the big cleanup really will begin. In terms of commute impacts, very high tomorrow morning, but finally by noon and onward, it should be getting a little bit better. All right, so we talked a little bit about winds. We're going to do a little bit more of that after this. Look at the snow forecast. About 10 to 18 inches on the eastern half of the state, 8 to 14 inches when you get into the Upper Valley and southern New Hampshire. All right, so for now, more on the winds. We're going to head out to Chief Meteorologist Mike Haddad. He's going to talk to us a little bit about how gusty they'll get overnight. Hi, Mike.
And hello, Haley. Yeah, the wind's really not all that bad right now. The snow is coming down a little bit of a slant, but on average, the winds are only, say, 10, 15 miles per hour. Take a look at the latest winds across New Hampshire. They're primarily out of the north-northeast, except at the coast, where they're out of the east at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. And as we look ahead in time, you'll see the future wind gusts really start to crank up as low pressure in this nor'easter bombs offshore. That means the pressure drops significantly. The wind gets sucked right into the center. And due to the airflow around the globe, yeah, we get strong winds counterclockwise around that low. That means tomorrow morning over 30 miles per hour by daybreak at the coast. By early to mid-afternoon, notice statewide the winds continue to howl, possibly gusts over 35 to 40. And later tomorrow night, they finally begin to come down a little bit. But there's also a concern at the coast due to the fact that these winds are going to really kick up the wave action for some flooding centered around the time of high tide at about 12:54 in the afternoon. So give or take 2 hours on either side of that high tide. Watch out for that. And as Haley, you mentioned, we could also see blizzard conditions at times along the coast. Now for the rest of the forecast over the next several days, is there more snow beyond this nor'easter? Haley, take it away.
Yeah, it looks like we do have some more snow in the forecast, though nothing as big as what we've seen as we get into the day on Wednesday. That's when we've got a few light snow showers in the forecast, not as big of a storm like what we'll see overnight tonight and tomorrow. Temperatures in the 30s, and then quieter weather as we get into the latter part of the week with temperatures in the 30s for highs.